गोवा में शूटिंग करना, क्योंकि ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड आप लोग शूट करते हैं, कितना मुश्किल, कितना आसान और कितना मजा आता है?
अच्छा, मैं बता दूं, मैं आज तक शूटिंग के लिए हिंदुस्तान के बाहर गया नहीं हूँ, तो वर्ल्ड वाइड मैं नहीं पहुंचा, ये पहुंच चुकी है। मेरी सारी फिल्म्स इंडिया बेस रही है। जहाँ तक गोवा की बात करें, अंग्रेजी में तो जवाब चलेगा। इट there's a certain colloquial flavor that Finding Fanny needed because of the language. English was very important because it's based in a very local sensibility of Goa. It's not the touristy side alone. Normally in films you tap into the more known side of Goa, in the sense the more visually known side of Goa. The heritage and the history of Goa that Homie wanted to tap into because he's based the film there. He wrote it there. It was imperative that we find a unique interpretation of it for it to look unique, for people to get excited also to see a new side of it. So it was a fantastic experience to discover for us. We've always been to Goa as tourists and enjoyed holidays, but this time I got to see so much more of Goa that possibly I wouldn't have if it wasn't for Finding Fanny. It's a beautiful place, wonderful people to interact with, and I think there's a certain energy that Goa brings to you, which is about just being and not about running. Like Bombay की energy एक होती है ना कि भागा दौड़, खच खच खच, दीपिका दीपिका दीपिका, खच 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 खच, ये इन सबको अगर हम गोवा ले जाए ना, तो वो भी आराम आराम से कि एक एक करके फोटो लेंगे।
दीपिका
के बारे में अगर कुछ बात करें तो it's about beaches, it's about like swimsuit and all those things, but then you have come in a sari today. It's totally a contrast thing like what?
Goa belongs to India.
मेरा सवाल दीपिका पादुकोण जी से ये है कि दीपिका
When have you become so formal with me?
दीपिका पादुकोण,
There is only one Deepika on this.
नहीं जी, दीपिका पादुकोण जी से मेरा ये सवाल है कि दीपिका रिसेंटली अभी अभी जैसे आज अभी हम जब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में एंटर कर रहे थे तभी सोनम कपूर की पीआर मशीनरी की तरफ से एक मेल आया जिसका कहना ये था कि सोनम कपूर को पहले फाइंडिंग फैनी ऑफर की गई थी दीपिका पादुकोण से पहले। आर यू अवेयर ऑफ दिस एंड अर्जुन ऑल्सो आर यू अवेयर ऑफ दिस? फर्स्ट ये क्वेश्चन है, पहले आप इसका जवाब दीजिए, दूसरा सवाल आ रहा है।
I don't know who the people were, but मैं खुद interviews में कहती थी कि I was not the first choice for Finding Fanny. It was offered to two other people before it finally came to me. But I think that was about 5 years ago. And whoever was offered the film at that point, I think was not ready to do it, or for whatever reason the film didn't work out. Homie narrated it to me during Cocktail, and he didn't narrate it to me like he was offering me the film. He's a very close friend of mine, तो वो ऐसे ही कहानी सुना रहे थे मुझे. And at the end of Cocktail, I went up to him and said, "Let's make this movie." So that's when you know, the ball started rolling. Nasir Saab's dates became free, and everyone else on board. So yeah, I have said this myself. I was not the first choice for Finding Fanny.
Okay.
दूसरा सवाल आपसे मेरा ये है कि
No, I
But
think we have ended
Having
our
said
time.
that, I've always said that you are remembered for the films that you do. I've said this time and again. So it's irrelevant whether you've wanted to do a film, whether you let go of a film, because years later, people are not going to remember you for that. You're remembered for the films that you do at the end of your career.